How's it going today, guys? Matt Irvin here with RestoreMasters. Today we're at Wydham completing one of over 9,000 resorts owned by Wydham across the globe. Many resorts and other popular vacation destinations like Wydham use RestoreMasters as their main vendor. Like this resort here. A hailstorm came through a little over a year ago and damaged the roof systems. They called RestoreMasters out to check it out for them. We came out, looked at the roof systems, the siding, the gutters, amongst other items, and we presented our findings to the board. Let's go to the staging area. I want to show you some of the materials that we're putting on the roof system. So on this roof system, we're going to go back with a 26 gauge standing seam snap lock metal panel roofing system. Underneath the metal roof system, we're going to go with a high temp ice and water shield, and not just a felt paper or a regular ice and water shield. You may see a lot of contractors putting felt or synthetic up underneath the metal panels, but if you look up those panels on the hot summer days, you'll see the button caps, and we don't want to do that. We want a seamless, flawless roofing system installed on your property. The reason we chose high temperature ice and water shield and not regular ice and water shield is because there are many variables that contribute to rooftop temperatures these days. Insulation, pitch, color, etc. all make it very difficult to predict what kind of heat profile that the rooftop will experience. The high temp ice and water shield that we have here is designed to withstand high temperature applications up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit.
How you doing today? My name is Joe Rios with RestoreMasters. I am responsible for the safety and staging area. So let's check that out. This is our staging area. We arrive about 3 days early. We set everything up. We make sure that everything's ready to go, so when the roofers arrive, they're ready to start work. This is where we have our safety meetings and store out all of our materials. This is where we keep our dumpsters as well. My job's gonna be to make sure to keep the dumpsters empty daily so that we can fill them with debris to keep the job moving as smooth as possible. Right now we're working on building number 4. Let's go take a look and see what's going on down there. And behind me here on the way to building 4, we've got our guys setting up the scaffolding. We were hired to do some additional work on this particular building. We're setting it all up so that we can get it done.
So when you're installing a large complex or a large building with standing seam panels, you'll see a lot of contractors ship all the panels into the job site. We don't want to do that because when you ship panels in, a lot of times during the unloading process or the shipping process, the crates and the panels will shift and move, and that will crease some of the ribs on the panels. Then you can't use that product. And then when you're here in the middle of your job site, you have to stop the job, pause it, order new material, and wait for the new material to come in. We don't want to see that happen on any of our projects. We want everything to go smooth as possible. So we have the manufacturer actually inside of our staging area now with their machines. They're going to roll our panels off on site here, and then we will put them directly on top of the building. If there is 1 or 2 panels that get damaged, we can roll more panels off. I wanted to tell you one of the many reasons that we are one of Wydham's main vendors. It's not only because of our great work that we do on the projects, it's also because we have over 10 million in coverage on our insurance, as well as many awards that we win directly from the manufacturers, such as Metal Roofing Contractor of the Year for 2019. But to recap this property here, the insurance company came out at the beginning, basically denied the claim. We helped that process along, eventually gaining a full approval from the carrier, and now we're here today restoring the property back to pre-storm condition. If you have had a storm come through your area, on your building, or your resort, or your hotel, etc., give us a call. We'll come check it out for you. We'll give you an honest opinion and show you the findings that we find on your property. Check us out on the web or give us a call. Thanks for watching.